So here are the 3 ways I'm going to make at least $10,000 in my IRA by the time I retire. A lot of people are opening up Roth IRAs this year and hopefully will become millionaires by the time they retire, but no one actually talks about how to actually cash out the money when that time comes. But I'm going to talk about these strategies in this video. So after you choose a brokerage like Vanguard, Schwab, or Fidelity and open an account, open a Roth IRA, max out your Roth IRA every year and invest in S&P 500 funds like VOO. In 30 years, you should have around $1.1 million with average stock market returns. The first strategy is to collect dividends, and because S&P 500 funds have around a 1.4% dividend yield, you should be able to collect around $16,000 worth of dividends every year. The second strategy is to use the 4% rule, where you sell a percentage of your portfolio every year or collect around $46,000. The third strategy is to sell covered calls, where you can collect around $5,000 of premiums every month, and this is a strategy that many investors do on a regular basis. And all this money is going to be tax and penalty free at 59.5 years old. I'll talk more about this in my class on Tuesday, or give me a follow where I'll make more videos on these specific strategies. I hope this video helps.